According to NSRBC, a reliable source about rate crimes, 81% of women and 43% of men reported nationwide experiencing some form of sexual harassment and or sexual assault in their lifetime. At this point, it was a high risk, right? So what will be the way to stop this kind of violence? It's within us and the government the way to stop this kind of violence. If we people can be knowledgeable about gender and sex and the importance of it, there will be no any violence can committed. If the government focus on this kind of problems, the high rate of crimes will be lessened and could lead to low rate. So what are we going to do? I am Kenneth John Bigulciano of Marikina Polytechnic College, taking a course of Bachelor in Tech Vocational in Teachers Education, majoring in Food and Service Management, making a speech in front of all you today that everyone must and everyone will be a team to fight against sexual harassment to stop it from spreading. Let's have unity, one goal, one to achieve. A better future will be ours in an instance if all of us cooperate. A country with a high crime rate is a country with a poor heart and soul. We should be a good example, not a bad one. Sexual harassment is a big problem that need everyone to solve. Thank you.